Fáilte roimh go fáil mí níos Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Leibhéal A1 topic seacht, Rannóg a hocht, Club Leabhar Longfoirt, ag díriú isteach Scríbhneoireacht. Level A1 topic 7, section 8, Longford's book club focusing on writing. Agus lemúna on folklore of Buanna le Scileanna, and we'll be teaching the vocabulary to go with skills and talents. Like an bhuileog Club Leabhar Longfoirt uat don gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need the handout Longford's book club for this activity. Club Leabhar Longfoirt, Longford's book club. Líon isteach an iarm-iarrtas síos agus chuir check in aice leis na hábhar a bhfuil spéis agat iontu. Fill in the application form below and put a check mark in beside the subjects that you have an interest in. On iarm-iarrtas, the application form, na hábhar, the subjects, spéis, interest. So repeat after me. On iarm-iarrtas. On iarm-iarrtas. Na hábhar. Na hábhar. Na hábhar. Spéis. 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 Club Leabhar Longfoirt Lean, Longford Book Club, continued. Annan, name, Annan. Seola, address, Seola. County, county, County. Seola riamhphoist, email address, Seola riamhphoist. Teangacha, languages, Teangacha. Agus inis na hábhar, and now the subjects. Gaeilge, riamharí, computers, riamharí. Litríocht, literature, litríocht. Sport, sport, sport. Star, history, star. Sláinte, health, sláinte. Cócaireacht, cooking, cócaireacht. Fáilim teangacha, learning languages, fáilim teangacha. Ceol, music, ceol. Ella, other, Ella. And this time, as we go through, I will have you repeat those after me. Gaeilge, Gaeilge. Riamharí, riamharí. Litríocht, litríocht. Sport, sport. Star, star. Sláinte, sláinte. Cócaireacht, cócaireacht. Fáilim teangacha, fáilim teangacha. Ceol, ceol. Ella, Ella. Agus inis tá ceiste go mbeart. Now I have a question for you. Actually, a few questions. An bhfuil tú I do bháil de Club Leabhar. An bhfuil tú I do bháil den Club Leabhar. Are you a member of a book club? Ball, member. Club Leabhar, book club. So try and answer them as Gaeilge in Irish. Remember, look at the question. What's the verb at the beginning? An bhfuil. Your answer is going to be either tá or níl. So look at the verb and answer with the appropriate form of the verb. Remember, present tense, the question form, an before the verb, and then the answer is either first person singular or ní and the verb with the séimhiú. So are you a member of a book club? An bhfuil tú i bhall de Club Leabhar. An léann tú go minic. Do you read often? The verb lay. An léann tú go minic. Léann, ní léann. An léann tú Buanna, nuachtáin, irisí, filiocht nó leabhar. Do you read blogs, newspapers, magazines, poetry, or books? An léann tú Buanna, nuachtáin, irisí, filiocht nó leabhar. Léann, ní léann. Or léann Buanna, léann nuachtáin, léann irisí, léann filiocht agus leabhar. I read poetry and books. So repeat after me each one. Buanna, Buanna, nuachtáin, nuachtáin, irisí, irisí, filiocht, filiocht, leabhar, leabhar. An bhfuil ein Scríbhneoireacht ar eolas agat. Do you know of any Irish writer? An bhfuil ein Scríbhneoireacht ar eolas agat. Scríbhneoir, writer, ar eolas agat, do you know of? An bhfuil rud éigin ar eolas agat. Do you know of something? Éireannach, Irish. Cé hiad na scríbhneoirí is cáiliúla ó do thír-dhúchais. Who are the most famous writers from your native country? Cé hiad, who are, na scríbhneoirí, the writers, is cáiliúla, most famous, ó do thír-dhúchais, from your native country. Cé hiad na scríbhneoirí is cáiliúla ó do thír-dhúchais. Faigh an aisteoireacht ein leabhar as Gaeilge go béarla. Find out if any book that was written in Irish or as Gaeilge has been translated to English. Agus sin deire le Rannóg a thucht Club Leabhar Longfoirt. That's the end of section 8, Longford Book Club, Le Múna, where we were teaching on folklore of Buanna le Scileanna, vocabulary relating to questions that has to do with skills. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lús cartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.